What's up, y'all? Hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. What this video is about is it's more of a motivational video for all my hard workers out there, for all my grinders out there. The universe rewards hard work. You may be out here grinding, you may be out here putting in the work, but you feel like you can't see it yet. You feel like that the grind, the hard work that you putting in, that the universe is not seeing that. I'm here to tell you that it is. That it's always seeing it. The universe truly sees everything that you are that you is doing, you know. It's like what they say about Santa Claus. Sees you when you're sleeping, you know when you're awake. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So the universe is always checking out on you. It's always seeing what you're doing. And it's working. It sees that hard work, bro. It sees that hard work. Alright. You just gotta have a little patience as well. You gotta be honest with yourself. How much hard work are you really putting in? Could you go harder? Could you go harder? You know what I'm saying? It's like this, man. I remember I was working at a job, right? I didn't have no car. And I had to wake up every day at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Not 4:35. 4 a.m. and I had to be on that bus by 5:45. Had to do this for months, bro. Months. Well, really like 3 months, because I got my car after that. 3 months. But you see how I put in the work and I got rewarded after that. That job was paying me stacks too. Because the universe, bro, the universe sees that. The universe sees that. Okay, every day that you're putting in, every day that you're going to the gym, every day that you're meditating, every day that you're eating right, the universe is seeing that. It takes a lot, man. It takes a lot to see that piece of pizza and be like, I ain't finna eat it. Because I care about my body, because I care about what I put into my body. That takes a lot. That takes a lot. I don't care. That takes a lot. Especially when you're just starting out. Are you kidding me? It takes a lot to be like, I ain't finna watch porn no more. I ain't finna masturbate. I ain't finna do none of that. Because I care about what I consume. I care about my diet. You know what I'm saying? Diet isn't only what you eat. It's what you consume. It's what you put your energy toward. You stop, eating food that's not good for you. You stop consuming content that's not good for you, and you are dependent on this content. The universe just ain't gonna be like, oh, that sucks. You were dependent on this content and you took it away from yourself. Because we always got willpower. You took it away from yourself. That just sucks. You ain't gonna get nothing out of it. Nah, bro, you're gonna get something out of it. The results may not be tomorrow. The results might not be next week. The results might not be next month. It might not even be next year. But what you put in, you always get out. You always get out. That's why, man, this YouTube channel, this shit finna go for years. If you thought I was finna quit, if you thought I was finna, not work, then you tweaking. I'm gonna try my best to do daily uploads every single day. Daily uploads every single day. Now, if I ain't getting nowhere in 3 years, then okay. I tried it. I gave it my all. It's over with. I'll put it down. But 2 months, 3 months, dog, I'm hitting this shit as hard as I can. You got me tweaking because I know the rules of the universe by now. I know the rules by the universe right now. Instant gratification don't happen often. It doesn't happen often. The universe wants to put you through something so it can know that you real. Like, for example, when I quit smoking weed, bro, I was literally when I quit smoking weed, the week that I quit smoking weed, I was literally with my homies, and there was a motherfucking dispensary. A dispensary. down the street. Bruh. Down the motherfucking street, bro. You don't think I want to know motherfucking brownies? You don't think I want to know motherfucking some shatter, some wax, some something? Of course I wanted all that. I don't care about it now. But when I was 1 week out, of course. Duh. But that's the thing. It's gonna show you, it's gonna put you through something to test if you real, bro. Like if you just started this semen retention thing, you probably gonna have some female that you've been trying to get with for a minute hit you up. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. You know they're a succubus. You know they just trying to take your energy. You know they ain't right for you. You know y'all ain't got no twin flame connection. Nothing like that. You know they just want your energy. Right? Might hit you up out of the blue. So what you finna do, bro? Are you finna negate the progress that you went through for pleasure? Are you finna keep going with what you want to keep going with? Stay strong, man. Stay strong. Get that willpower, get that discipline within you. Cause that's damn near one of the most important things in life is willpower and discipline. Willpower and discipline is just how much shit can you go through without seeing the prize, without getting that gratification. How much shit can you go through without getting that gratification? Cause the longer you grind, the longer you go through that grind period, the better the reward will be. You shall reap the reward. The universe watches you. The universe is seeing everything you're doing, bro. It's not going in vain. Some days it may feel like it. Some days it may feel like it. When I was waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning, some days it felt like it. At the beginning, at least, some days it felt like it. But then I just got this download from my higher self, and it was just like, bro, you're gonna reap the rewards, you're gonna reap the benefits. And I did. I've noticed that, and I got it, and it's a lesson that I've learned now, is that the universe shall reward you for what you have done, bro. So if you're in the moment of your life right now where you're just like, damn, because I know I'm going through this with YouTube, with work, a lot of things, man. Because I don't just be making these type of videos. This is just a little quick video, even though I am passionate about this video in particular. There's more videos that I'm making that's gonna take a little bit more time. It's gonna take a little bit more extra, but I gotta upload daily, at the same time. So that's just a little insight about what I'm doing behind the scenes. But like, I'm going through a period in my life right now where I'm just gonna have to grind for 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10 years. I'm just gonna have to grind, man. Hey, I'm young, especially if you're young, bro. Just do it. Just do it, bro. Just do it. Like, you're young, man. This is the best. You right now, if you're 18 to like 27, if you're 18 to 27, right now, you're at the point of your life where you're the most healthiest. Okay, you're the most healthiest. You're the best looking. You're at your physical prime right now. You may not be at your mental prime. You may not be at your spiritual prime, but you're at your physical prime right now. So what you need to do right now is work on the physical plane, but also work on the mental plane, of course. Also work on the spiritual plane. But what I'm saying is, right now is the best time to grind. Right now is the best time to put in that work that you need to be putting in. Okay. So let me wrap this video up by saying, put in the work, man. Put in the work and you shall see results. Is it the second push-up that gets you bigger? Is it the second push-up that gets you bigger? Is it the third push-up that gets you bigger? No. It's that 10th push-up. It's that 12th push-up. It's that 15th push-up that gets you where you're at. That gets you where you're going. It's when you want to stop but you do 3 or 4 more. And that's how your mind gets stronger. That's how your life gets stronger. That's how your spirit gets stronger. That's how your soul gets stronger. You need to put in that work, and you will get mentally stronger. You will get that discipline. So put in the work, my brothers and sisters. The universe will reward you for what you have done. Now, I want y'all to continue your day. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you thought about this video. Give me more video ideas. I always love more video ideas. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, peace out, y'all.